Hello, my name is Soumitra Ghosh. Now I am going to deliver a speech on the allegorical significance of the Shakespeare play Tempest. First of all, we have to know what the allegory is. Allegory is an event or a drama or a play in which every character is a symbol representing any specific idea or quality such as evil, truth, etc. The Shakespeare's play Tempest has been analyzed by a number of critics in different ways. According to some critics, forgiveness and the freedom are the key notes of the Shakespeare's play Tempest. Prospero, with the application of mighty and powerful magical spells, would have severely punished his enemies, but he didn't do it. Rather, he released all of them. He showed sympathy for them. Ariel, with the contribution of loyal services, wanted to gain freedom from his master, and he was successful in gaining freedom from his master. According to some other critic, the Shakespeare's play Tempest illustrates the theme of cheerfulness in the hardships, because it is known to all that Prospero was banished and was kept in exile, but Prospero was not depressed. He didn't lose his faith. He didn't lose his hope. Rather, he utilized his exile. He was deeply absorbed in learning the magical spells, magical art. On the contrary, Ferdinand had to go through a number of hardships which was imposed by the Prospero, the father of the Miranda, in order to prove himself to be the perfect and suitable match for Miranda. And at last we have seen that he was successful in achieving his target. According to some critics, the Shakespeare's play Tempest carries the autobiographical tune. It is known to all that the Prospero is the embodiment of the Shakespeare. And there is a famous statement made by the Prospero, that is, "We are such stuff as the dreams are made on, and our little life is drowned into the sleep." This statement tells that Shakespeare is retiring into the Milan, is going to retire into the Milan, in which his every third thought will be his grave. Prospero's renunciation of the magical spells tells that Shakespeare is going to take retirement from the theatre also, on which he gained influence for a number of years with the application of all the supernatural elements like witches, magical spell, ghost, etc. According to some of the critics, Shakespeare's play Tempest is neither autobiographical nor impersonal, because it deals with the expression or revelation of the specific mood of the contemporary or that particular time or that particular contemporary period. And that's why readily we can't come to a conclusion that Shakespeare's Tempest is impersonal. Rather, we can say, according to those critics, Shakespeare's play Tempest is impersonal. That's all.